Well, hello, YouTube. Welcome to my channel and thank you for tuning in. For those of you new to my channel, my name is Heather Ruth. I am actually on an entrepreneurship journey. I've been an entrepreneur my whole life, honestly. Seriously, I started like at 7, like trying to sell chips from my dad's convenience store. And junior high, I was selling candy. But anyway, long story, I've been an entrepreneur my whole life. So right now, I am in the journey of doing self-care. And I have really been doing a lot. So I thought I'd make a vlog about it and take you guys on a journey with me. So welcome to my show, video, page. Welcome to my page. Like I said, I'm trying to do a self-care skincare line that includes solid perfumes, body butters, beard balms, and sugar scrubs. But I have so many ideas on so many other things, but I'm going to start my business off with that until I get it up and running. So what you guys didn't see that I didn't vlog was me actually coming up with the concept for the business, coming up with the name. I chose the name Herbal Essence because my last name kind of goes with it. So herbal, I think it's kind of a play on, the H-E-R herb. It's a I-R-B, Herbal Essence, kind of like a word play. So I like that a lot. And then the concept and of course the product and samples. I'm still kind of developing. I did make a website. I chose Shopify. Right now, I'm really trying to find a POS system. So if any of you guys know of a great POS or something that you suggest, let your girl know. Again, I am new to this. I'm learning. But today, I'm doing an unboxing video for some fragrances because I've been having a really, really hard time finding a good fragrance manufacturer. Fragrances that's going to last. I am really hoping to find something as natural as possible. I heard that there are some all natural things out there, fragrances. So I'm really, really chasing that. So this is an unboxing of the Common Sense. So that's who we're going to test today. So this will be like a first smell. I just went on their website. I just been all over the internet trying to find things, trying to find fragrances. I've tried several companies. Most of them I was unhappy with, as you can see, which is why I'm still searching for a company. But this is cute. So I get a nice little coupon. I guess it just makes sense. So they tell us about some of the different things that they have, top perfumes, colognes, essential oils. So that's kind of nice. I have an invoice here. I just got a couple of fragrances because again, I'm not even going to mention this particular oil company. But if you guys want to know, I'll tell you. But I'm not going to tell it, just say it to be saying it. But anyway, I ordered probably 10 different fragrances from this company. And I was really upset. So it is well packaged, by the way. I was totally upset. Fragrances didn't last 30 minutes. In fact, the fragrance was so light. I actually put like 30% into my product to actually even smell a scent, and I was just really upset. So now I don't do that. I don't buy the big bottles, but these are 8-ounce bottles, and they're all it's packaged well. So we're gonna open this up. This is lemongrass. I got this because this is actually a request. Someone did request lemongrass from me, so I was like, why not? So let's see what it smells like, shall we? But I can say that it's not And 8 ounces is actually a pretty decent size. I really wasn't expecting for it to be this large, honestly. But the color seems pretty pure. But it's lemongrass, so let's smell it. It smells like lemongrass. Like, it smells like lemongrass. That's, I have a lemongrass essential oil. So I really wanted to see how the fragrance oil smelled. And this, it smells really good. It smells like lemongrass. The scent isn't too weak, but it's not too overpowering and not too strong. So I'm really kind of curious to see how it's going to smell in my product. I think I'm going to make a body butter with this one just to see how it performs. These other fragrances, and these are all 8 ounces, by the way. Because I'm not getting my feelings hurt anymore, spending all that money for some water. Oh, I was so upset. I emailed the company and everything. I was like, hey, you know, these fragrances are like terrible. Like, I can't smell anything. And I'm ordering like Tom Ford. And anybody who wears fragrance, you know Tom Ford doesn't have anything light. And he's like, oh, well, these fragrances, you know, they're good enough to put it directly in your skin. You're not supposed to put this in any product. You know, you put it directly on your skin. And, you know, it's like a 40 to 60% perfume oil in it. I said, so you cut this 40 to 60%? Like, so if you're cutting it at the highest at 60%, we only have 40% fragrance in here. You know, like, you know what? I don't even want to talk about it. This is Baccarat Rouge. This is a very popular fragrance right now. I have been trying to order this in other places. Places that actually have this, the pricing is astronomical. It's ridiculous. And I don't really want to pay that without knowing exactly what it smells like. So, oh, it smells good. It smells, it does smell light. It smells fragrant. Kind of smells pillowy. It smells pillowy. I feel like I would, it does smell pillowy. Like light and fluffy. If that's even a smell. But that's what it smells like to me. And it smells really good. It smells feminine. I can see how it could be unisex though, but it smells feminine. I like this. I really like this. I'm going to see what I can do with this. I'll definitely, it says pure oil. So one of the reasons why I chose Common Sense to try their fragrances, they claim to have 100% pure oils, which they all do because the other company claimed that too. And another company that I tried, I bought like maybe 20 bottles from them, and their bottles actually have it printed on the bottles, 100% pure fragrance, but they have like top and bottom notes, no middle notes, or top and middle and no bottom. I think it's top and bottom that they give me, but no middle, because the fragrance does last. And then of course you can smell that top note when you hit it at first, like boom, but there's no depth to it. You know, it's like there's no, you know, certain smells that's supposed to have a sophistication about it. You don't even smell that. And again, that's another company that I was unpleased with. I'm not even going to tell you about it, but if you want to know, drop it in the comments, and I'll definitely have a video on that. This one is Love Don't Be Shy. This one was also a request. I'm really liking the clarity of these oils. They seem, you know, very pure. I've never smelled this fragrance before, ever in life. Never even heard about it. But again, it is a request. Oh, wow. It's very, feminine, very feminine. I can smell floral, maybe like a hint of grapefruit, maybe. It's definitely floral. It reminds me of someone, and it's not very sweet. It's a little sweet, a little bit sweet. Like I can smell marshmallow in here, but it's not overbearingly sweet. It's actually quite, it's a great spring fragrance. I would love this in the spring and maybe even the summer. And again, it's not too strong. Let me turn it around so you guys can see. It's a clean smell. It smells clean. I kind of like it. I'm not all the way certain. Like I said, I've never smelled this before ever in life, so I don't know if this is the right smell or not. But smells good. And then this is Guess. I'm thinking I was originally thinking that I wanted to maybe use the Guess for my beard oils, my beard balms that I'm making for men. So that's the reason why I bought this. But since buying this, I ran across another company who claims that their fragrances last 7 days. 2 days on the body, 7 days on your clothing. Of course, if you don't wash, of course. So I was too excited to see what that company had to offer. And they had other fragrances that I may possibly use. But of course, you know, your girl had to try it, right? So yes, I did order. And I did order from another company who claims their fragrances last 24 hours. So I'll absolutely do unboxing and first scent for those as well. But we all know what Guess smells like. Well, most of us should know what Guess smells like. I've smelled this before. And I actually have some from another company that I really like. Ooh, I can smell the sophistication in it. But it does smell clean. Okay, now that smells better. You know what? It smells like a grown man. I almost feel like this could be like a I think I might stick with this for the beard oil because that's what it smells like to me. It smells like a fresh shaven man. You know, it's a manly smell, definitely. And I like it. I'm definitely gonna put this in my beard oil. I'm gonna let my husband try it. Give it to like my nephew, my dad, you know, a couple people. Let them try it out and tell me what they think. But it does smell good. I mean, it definitely have the middle notes in here because I can smell that sophistication that's supposed to be in here. And I'm pleased about that. So far, Common Sense, their smells smell good. They claim to have, you know, really good fragrances. And like I say, the ones that I smelled smell pretty good. The Baccarat to me doesn't really, it's not as strong as I thought it would be. I thought it'd be a lot stronger than this. Because I have another company that I tried, that I got a sample from with Baccarat. Let me see. I have it over here. And theirs was, it smells really, really good. Like really good. But it doesn't last. It might have lasted an hour, maybe. But this one, I almost think this one smells better. This one smells like it's missing some notes. Smells good nonetheless, but it can almost smell chemically. Like it smells like chemicals. This one is cleaner, but it's not that strong. I really did think that it was going to be stronger. But I did buy some more from the company that claims to last 7 days on clothing and 2 days on the body. So, and this is probably, I don't know how many companies I've tried, honestly. But I do have a lot of essential oils too. So if you guys are interested in more videos like this, leave a comment down below. Definitely like and subscribe. Definitely follow, because like I said, I'm going to go ahead and vlog. This is my first video of many to come, if God is willing, of course, where I do want to vlog my journey. And I hope that you guys will join me. So again, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, follow me on all my socials. I am on Facebook under Herbal Essence, IRBALESSENCE, and I'm also on Instagram under Herbal Essence as well. And if you're interested in any of my products, you can absolutely go to my website, herbalessence.com, and tell me what you think. You know, there's plenty of entrepreneurs out there, and plenty of people who making self-care products. So if you can give me a little bit of advice, or even where to actually get my my fragrance oils from, so I can stop on this wild goose chase and buying all these different fragrances from all these other fragrance companies, that would be awesome. But I am going to actually do a video. I'm gonna go live on TikTok on Sundays to actually make product. So these will be some of the products that I'm gonna make Sunday. So thank you again for watching my video. So this was a first smell for the Common Sense. I'll definitely see how it performs for 1, and of course the longevity for 2. So I'm gonna make the product. I'm gonna let it cure for a couple of days. Then we're gonna actually wear it. And then I'll let you know how it performed. And I will see you Sunday. Thanks. Bye.